Okay, so now that we've completed our project, we're going to need to go ahead and create our project folder so that we can upload that link when we fill out the form to submit for our badge. This is pretty simple. All we need are the pieces of the deliverable that were listed on the badge website. So first, let's go ahead and make a new folder in Box. Now you can use Box, or you can use Google Drive, or you can use Dropbox. It doesn't matter so long as it's someplace on the cloud where you can put your files and link to. And it should be fairly permanent because you are going to want this to be able to link back for quite a while, for as long as you're using the badge. So someplace that you think you'll have access to for a while, that's what you'll want. And so you'll go ahead and you'll say new folder. Whether you're doing this on Box or Google Drive or whatever, you're going to want to create a folder because you're going to have three things that go in here: your final file, your screenshot, and your write-up. I'm just going to call this one badge project example. And you can see examples of these in the links kind of at the bottom. I'll show you where that is in just a second. I don't need to invite anyone to it. I just need to go ahead and click create. And then open that up. Okay, then I want to go and make sure that I have all the files for the badge deliverable here on the website. So I'm doing the meme project. I need my final meme, which is going to be my JPEG, my screenshot of my workspace, and then my written reflection. So then I can just go here and I will just say new file upload. I'll navigate on my computer to wherever I saved it. I saved it to my desktop. I can use command to pick multiple. So I've got my write-up, my meme, and then my screenshot. I'm just going to click upload. And then you can see I have those three things. Those have all uploaded into Box. I could rename this. That's not required, but it makes things a little neater. Then once all your files are there and they're named what you want them to be, just go ahead and click share. And you need to create a shared link. Make sure that up here it shows the name of your folder so that you are sharing the entire folder and not just one of the files. Make sure this shared link is created is turned on. And then change this, and this may look different depending on which thing you're using, but you want this to be people with the link, or everyone, or something like that, depending on which cloud service you're using. It might have a different name, but basically you want to make sure that it's going to be publicly accessible and people aren't going to have to sign in to view it, because you'll have people clicking through on this, maybe potential employers or something like that. They'll click on the badge, they want to be able to see your evidence, so make sure that anyone can do it. And then you have options to view only or view and download. There's not really a reason they need to download it, so you can just set that to view only, but either of those will work. And once that's set, then choose copy, and that's what we're going to use to go ahead and submit our badge, which we'll be doing in the next video.